Hi children, today we are going to learn 7th class 3rd chapter, that is simple equations. So in that exercise number 1 I am going to be complete. Before that, let us learn what is meaning of this chapter. Simple equation. First of all, let us learn about equation. What is meaning of equation? An open sentence. An open sentence contains sign of equality is called an equation. An open sentence contains a sign of equality is called equation. So let us know the meaning. An open sentence. So open sentence means any variable or constant numbers. You should be know the meaning of variable and constant numbers. Constants. So here constant is nothing but which does not change. This will be known as a constant. So for example, numbers will does not change. Constants. Suppose 5 is a constant number, it does not change. The value of 5 will be same at everywhere. Here in the India we will study and read this number as a 5. Wherever in the world we go, we read this as a 5 only. This is a constant which does not change, is known as a constant. Variable, something that is not constant, it's known as a variable. Suppose the variables will be denoted by x, y, z, a, b, c, etc. X is the some variables. Suppose for examples of variables, okay, the growing of plant is a variable. It's grow on like the height of a plant will be variable. Suppose the day-to-day temperature is a variable. Yes, your height will be variable. It will be changes from the right from your born to till now. Yes, growing of your hair, it's a variable. These are the variables. Something that is which is not constant, it is known as a variable. Here variables are known as a open sentence. You can take or not an open sentence means it is a open that where we can put our wish number. Our wish, what we need to put in the open sentence. An open sentence contains sign of equality. Sign is in symbol, equality symbol. This is equal symbol. Okay, it's called equation. Suppose here I will write some things. You see, let us see that which of the following are equations and which of the following are not equations. Suppose here 5x plus 3 is greater than 4. Here let us see x plus 4 is less than 7. X is greater than 11. Or 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Suppose 8 is greater than 7. Okay, or not. Here 8x plus 3 is equal to, it's not equal to, let us take some number like it's less than 5. So these are the some examples I have taken. Let us see either these statements are equations or not. If you see here, we should be have one open sentence. Open sentence in the sense either it may be a variables or not, it may be a blanks or it may be a box, whatever. These are called as an open sentence. X in the sense variable. We don't know what is the value of x. X equal to maybe 1 or x equal to maybe 2 or 3, whatever you are assuming number. X equal to 100 or 1000 or lakhs also. So here x, y, z are known as a variables. Okay, that are also known as a open sentence. So here we have open sentence and sign of equality we should be there. Is there any equal symbol here? We have open sentence, but we don't have a equal symbol here. So here it is not a equation. Here we have variable, but not there is no equation. It is also not a variable. Sorry, it is also not a equation. So here we have variable, but not there is no equal symbol. So it is also not a equation. See here we have equal symbol, but we don't have any open sentence like variable open sentence. We cannot substitute any our assuming values here. We cannot put any values. So 7 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 11. It is a true statement, but it is a mathematical statement. We cannot consider it is an equation. It is a mathematical statement, but we cannot consider it is an equation. See, it is also not equation and this also not equation. So, which are called as equation? I will tell you here. X plus 5 equal to 8. It is also equation. It is equation. This is equation because this equation contains one open sentence and one equal symbol. An open sentence contains the sign of equality. It is called equation. That is what our statement. Here, y plus 8 equal to 17. It is also an open sentence. See, y is an open sentence. That means y equal to, you can assume 1. 1 plus 8 is not equal to 17. 2 plus 8 is not equal to 17. 9 plus 8 it is equal to 17. That means in the place of y, we are assuming many values. We have a lot of values to substitute in the place of y. It is called open sentence. We can substitute 100, 1000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh or whatever number in the place of y. But we have only one chance to get the correct answer. That is 9. If y equal to 9, then only this statement is true. If y equal to not equal to 9, y is not equal to 9, this statement will be false. Whatever, either statement is true or false after solving, but before that, we should be identify either it is a equation or not. Yes, it is a equation. It contains an open sentence and sign of equality. So it is an equation. Yes, let's see. 3x plus 7 equal to 8. It is also equation. So there should be one open sentence and there should be one equal symbol. Then only it is called as an equation. Dash plus 8 equal to 10. It is also equation. Because here we have open sentence, we can substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite number of numbers. But we have to get a correct answer, we have to substitute 2. Yes. So dash plus 5 equal to 7. It is also an equation. Here we have open sentence and sign of equality. So it is a equation. So in always in the equations, these are the equations and these all are not equations. In the equations we have 2 after the equal symbol and before the equal symbol. After the equal symbol, whatever the numbers will be, that is RHS, right hand side. Thus will known as a RHS. After the equal symbol, whatever the statements, either it is a numerical statement or variable statements, that will be known as a RHS, right hand side. Before the equal symbol, whatever it will be, it is known as a LHS, left hand side. Left hand side. LHS is x plus 5, RHS is 8. LHS is y plus 8, RHS is 17. 3x plus 7 is a LHS, 8 is a RHS. So is what? Dash plus 8, LHS, 10 is a RHS. I hope you understood now. Yes. So simple equation is things. Here we have only one variable in this all. See, here we have only one open sentence. Here also we have only one open sentence. This is called simple equation. This is an equation now. We know what is meaning of equation. An open sentence contains sign of equality is known as a equation. In that equation, if we have only one open sentence with power 1, if there is nothing here, it is known as a power 1. It is known as a simple equations. So we are going to get very simple equations here. That means to solve it. So let us enter into the exercise and we solve first exercise problems here. Let us solve the first exercise problems in these simple equations. Exercise number 3.1. What is there in the 3.1? It's very simple. See, write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. They have given some simple equations here. The first one. First which? First one. What is that? 2x equal to 10. Is the first question. Okay. We have to write what is LHS here and what is RHS here. Okay, let me write the second question. I will write all the questions first. 2x minus 3 equal to 9. Here we have to write LHS and we have to write RHS. And third question. Till that time you try to do what is LHS and what is RHS here. You try to just write any notes before I complete these questions. Let us see, will you do it right or wrong? 5p plus 3 equal to 2p plus 9. LHS, RHS. Fifth one, 14 equal to 27 minus 5. LHS, RHS. Sixth one, 2a minus 3 equal to 5. Here we need to write LHS, also RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. LHS in the sense left hand side, RHS is right hand side. 7m equal to 14. Okay, here we need to write LHS and RHS. And the eighth one, here 8 equal to q plus 5. You have to write the LHS and RHS. Let's see that. What is LHS in this? Left hand side, that is before the equal symbol, that is 2x. RHS is 10. Here LHS is 2x minus 3. RHS is 9. Here the LHS is 4z plus 1. RHS is 8. LHS is 5p plus 3. RHS is 2p plus 9. Here LHS is 14. RHS is 27 minus y. Here LHS is 2a minus 3. RHS is 5. Left hand side is 7m. Right hand side is 14. Left hand side that is 8. Right hand side that is q plus 5. Left hand side, right hand side. Easily we can identify. So the first bit is very easy, and these are the questions are known as a simple equations. You can see that here we'll be having only one open sentence and one equal symbol. Here you should not see that there are two open sentences. The same open sentence is there, that is P. Yes, only one open sentence and equal symbol. With all this round of questions, in the questions we can see all these questions are simple equations. How can I say they are simple equations? Because they are having one open sentence and sign of equality. An open sentence contains a sign of equality is known as equations. So I hope you understood this bit. And we have the next, the second bit in this exercise, that is trial and error method. Trial and error method is very easy. Trial and error method in the sense they have given one statement, x plus 2 equal to 5. So we have to do it with the trial and error method. So in the sense we have to substitute first to x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, what happens? We have to see. Here 1 plus 2 equal to is not equal to 5. Here in the place of x we have to substitute 1. 1 plus 2, that will be 3. 3 is not equal to 5. So it is not true. If x equal to 2, that equal to 2 plus 2 is not equal to 5. Yes? Then if x equal to 3, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It is a true statement. Before that you will get all false statement. Until you get the true statement, we have to substitute the values x equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on like that. So whatever the number, whatever the big answer will be, we have to follow that. It is called trial and error method. Here you got error, here you got error. Until you get the correct answer, we have to try that. It is called trial and error method. Okay. Now this kind of problems we are going to be solved in this 3.1 exercise second bit. In second bit, there is only 4 questions. Let me solve. The first question is that 2 plus y equal to 7. So by using trial and error method, we have to find out what is the value of y. If y equal to 1, then what happens? See, 2 plus 1 is not equal to 7. See, 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 is not equal to 7. 2 plus 1, 3, that is not equal to 7. It is a false statement. Okay. Then if y equal to 2, if y equal to 2, what happens? 2 plus y equal to 2, that is not equal to 7. That means here 4 is not equal to 7. It is a false statement. Simple. If y equal to 3, we have to do it the same process again. 2 plus 3 equal not equal to 7. That means 5 is not equal to 7. It is also a false statement. If y equal to 4, yes, 2 plus 4 is not equal to 7. That means 6 is not equal to 7. If y equal to 5, that means here 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Yes, 7 equal to 7. Here you got a true statement. Therefore, y equal to what then? 5. Therefore, the y equal to 5. This is called trial and error method. Trial and error method. Okay. Here 4 times you got a false. Yes, 4 times you got a false statement. But at 5th time you got true statement. Until you get the true statement, you have to do this procedure. This procedure is known as trial and error method. Okay. Now let's go for the second question. A minus 2 equal to 6. In the place of a, what we should get? That we know directly 8 minus 2 equal to 6. But until we get the 8, we have to do this process. If a equal to 1, let us see. 1 minus 2 is not equal to 6. That means minus 1 is not equal to 6 here. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. It is not equal to 6. False statement. Then if a equal to 2, 2 minus 2, that is 0. 0 is not equal to 6, no. Then 0 is not equal to 6, that is false statement. If a equal to 3, that is 3 minus 2 is not equal to 6. That is 1 is not equal to 6, that is false statement. If a equal to 4, that is 4 minus 2 is not equal to 6. That means 2 is not equal to 6. It is also a false statement. Let us do it. If a equal to 5, then 5 minus 2 is not equal to 6. That means 5 minus 2 is what? 3. 3 is not equal to 6. It is also a false statement. Then if a equal to 6, that is 6 minus 2 is not equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is 4 is not equal to 6. It is also a false statement. Then if a equal to 7, that is 7 minus 2 is not equal to 6. 7 minus 2 is 5 is not equal to 6. That is also false statement. But if a equal to 8, then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. That is 6 equal to 6. You got LHS equal to RHS now here. LHS is equal to RHS in this case. So therefore a equal to 8. This is called trial and error method. Okay, let me solve the remaining 2 more questions also from this bit. With that, our exercise will get complete. Only there are 2 bits here. Identifying LHS and RHS. Okay, identifying LHS and RHS and find out in trial and error method the value of unvariable by using trial and error method. Here 5m equal to 15. 5m is nothing but a 5 into m. You know that 5m is nothing but 5 into m is equal to 15. Here we should know that in the place of m what value we should come. So if m equal to 1, then what happens? 5 into 1 is not equal to 15. You know 5 ones are 5. This 5 is not equal to 15. It is a false statement. Then if m equal to 2, then 5 into 2 is not equal to 15. Yes, 5 2s are 10. How come it is equal to 15 then? No. So 10 is not equal to 15. If m equal to 3, if m equal to 3, 5 into 3, yes, 5 3s are 15. Yes, 15 equal to 15. Here the LHS here our left hand side answer is equal to right hand side answer. So therefore m equal to 3. Finished, no? Now let us do that. The last question, 2n equal to 14. Fourth one. 2n equal to 14. 2n is nothing but 2 into n is equal to 14. 2 7 the 14, we know it. Until the 7 we have to do this process. If n equal to 1, let us see. 2 into 1 is not equal to 14. It is a false statement. If n equal to 2, the next step I am not writing here, you should write that. 2 into 2 is not equal to 14. Yes? Then if n equal to 3, okay, 2 into 3 is not equal to 14. If n equal to 4, 2 into 4 is not equal to 14. If n equal to 5, 2 into 5 is not equal to 14. If n equal to 6, 2 into 6 is not equal to 14. These all are false statements, false mathematical statements. These are the statements but false statements. If n equal to 7, 2 into 7, yes, it is equal to 14. That is 14 equal to 14. It is a true statement. Here LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, therefore, n equal to, it is a 7. I hope you understood this exercise 3.1. What we have learned, what is the definition of, what is the meaning of equation. Then after find out in either the given ones are equations or not. We should be able to tell if they have given one thing, either it is a equation or not, we should tell. Yes, we know how to identify the equation. There should be one open sentence and there should be one equal symbol. Then only it's called equations. Then what is the LHS and RHS that we have learned in the first bit. And the second bit, there are only 4 questions, that is in trial and error method. This also we have completed. So with this exercise is get completed. So just keep practicing that. So in the next video, I will explain you 3.2. Till that time, keep practicing and keep gain the knowledge. Thank you for watching this.